Hi loves, it is a wash day and I've had my color touched up and I had a silk press that ended up being a slick back bun that ended up reverting back. So what if I told you I washed my hair with customized products from Function Beauty? I took a simple test, had my profile created and my custom products made specifically for my hair. I love that the pamphlet comes with everything you need to know regarding your shampoo, conditioner, hair mask, and hair serum. And based on your quiz and test, you formulated your products specifically for your hair's need. All Function Beauty products are cruelty-free, sulfate-free, and 100% vegan. So I'm going in with the shampoo first, and I do love that every product comes with its own pump, which is amazing because it's easily to dispense out that way. So when I took my quiz, I really wanted to focus my products on color protection, curl definition, hydration, and volume. So that's how my shampoo, conditioner, and hair mask was formulated. And another cool thing is while you're taking the quiz, at the end you do get to choose, kind of like the color that you want it to be and the scent and how strong you want the scent to be. So for my product trio, I decided to go with a light peachy scent. So this was so relaxing because like the scent was giving like a whole spa feel. So with me shampooing my hair, I'm really focusing on the scalp and then working that down the hair shaft. And I go in and shampoo twice. Then I'm going in with my conditioner, which also smells amazing. Like I said, all three of these products smell absolutely amazing. Focusing that throughout my hair and mainly on the ends because you guys know I have my color treated curls. And I like to really make sure that I focus lots of conditioner. So definitely made sure that was dispensed all throughout my hair. And I go in and add that hair mask. Now with the hair mask, you are supposed to let it sit for up to approximately 30 minutes. So what I like to do with my hair mask is really make sure I detangle that product all throughout my hair while I'm still in the shower, because I like to take hot steamy showers, and I noticed that when you take hot showers it allows it to penetrate in the hair shaft better. So I let that sit and continue to shower. And then I let it sit a little bit longer after the shower, and these are how my results look. Like I said, my hair is always super deceiving, especially after I had it in a silk press. But I did get my layers retrimmed, so my curls look very, very good. And watch the magic, y'all. And I went with my standard wash and go, and I love the results. I do think that the shampoo did an amazing job removing any of that extra product buildup that I had on my hair, because I did have a silk press that was loaded with edge control towards the end and a lot of humidity spray. So that was able to get rid of that extra buildup and have my curls bouncy and flowy. And I did go in with the formulated leave-in conditioner, and I'm following up with the Function Beauty serum. Now I love this hair serum. It also has the exact same hair scent, which was so good because the fact that I like to break like my little, it's not a gel cast, but it's like a foaming mousse cast with a serum that smells so good. It lasts on your hair for hours, y'all. Like by the time I tie my hair up at night, you could still smell that light peachy scent. So I'm gonna take, a few pumps, maybe a lot, and I'm just gonna rub that in my hands and make sure I just fluff and scrunch that all throughout my curls. Like I said, this helps break that cast and allow your curls to be a little bit more flowy and just nice and bouncy. But I'm obsessed with this. I think you guys should really look into customized hair care. Like I said, this is cruelty free, sulfate free, and 100% vegan. So again, amazing for your curls and daily hair care. They have other options as well. If you are a blondie like me, you can get purple shampoo to help with some brassiness in your hair. And again, you can get hair masks and customize your products according to what you want specifically for your hair goals. So if you're into volume, you can get it specifically curated for volume, hydration, curl definition, you name it. So again, all these products that I mentioned for you to get customized will be in the description box down below. Let me know what you guys think about this. And the simple fact that they type your name on the bottle and the bottle is so aesthetically pleasing is also a 10 for me, okay? Because one thing about me, I love aesthetics. But yeah, Let me know what you guys think about this and if you're into customized hair care in the comment section down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.